Page 93, question number 4. Waiting times to see a doctor at a large clinic are normally distributed with a mean of 68.2 minutes and a standard deviation of 14.8 minutes. Let's just think about what this is saying. It's saying the average waiting time to see a doctor is 68 minutes. That's a long time. With a standard deviation of about 14 minutes, meaning um, about two-thirds of all people wait somewhere between, if I subtract 14, about 54 minutes, and if we add 14, we get about, what is that? About 82 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to start with a sketch of this situation. So first thing I want to do just on the side over here is make a really rough sketch of a normal curve. Whoa, that's really rough. Let me try that again. So I want to make a rough sketch of a normal curve, and the mean, that's a little better. The mean is 68.2 minutes. Standard deviation is 14.8 minutes. So if we subtract 14.8, let me do that real quickly here. We get 53.4 minutes. And if we add 14.8 to our average, we get 83 minutes. So two-thirds of all people wait between 53 and 83 minutes, somewhere in this range. Okay, let's take a look at the questions we have. What is the probability that the waiting time is less than 45 minutes? Well, on our scale, 45 minutes would be about here or so. And the waiting time less than that, we can see if I shade that region in, it's really a very small percentage or a very small probability. Okay, I'm going to let my calculator do the work for me here, so I'm going to pull that out. Now, since we're looking for a probability or a percentage, we can go into our distribution menu. Anytime we're looking for a probability or percentage, it's this normal CDF command. So I'm going to pull that on my home screen. And I need to type 4 things in here. First, I need the borders of this shaded region. It's like saying we're looking for the area between 0 and 45 minutes. So there's my borders, comma. Next we need our average, our mean, and our standard deviation. And the nice thing is those are given to us in the problem. So 68.2, comma 14.8. And it tells me that that probability is about 5%, actually 0.0, I'll say 0.058, closer to 6% or so. So it's pretty rare that you're going to wait less than 45 minutes. Okay, let's look at part B. What's the probability the waiting time is between 60 minutes, so 60 is about in here or so, and 70 minutes, which is about over here. Alright, if I shade that region, I can see this shaded region is much larger than this other one, so I'm expecting a bigger percentage. But really, we do the problem the exact same way. I'm going to get that normal CDF command. My borders now are 60 and 70 minutes. And it's the same mean, 68.2, same standard deviation, 14.8. And it tells me that that probability is about 0.2, I'll just call it 0.26, about 26% probability.